Hello students, in continuity to our uniquely detectable course for 6th sem ITC students, information theory coding subject. Now in the part 1 we have discussed what is uniquely detectable code, what is its introduction, how we generate and how we can classify different coding schemes, like which one is uniquely detectable and or not. Today we will discuss the tests for uniquely detectable codes. What are those schemes? Now steps for uniquely detectable codes and prefix codes will be discussed. Now tests for uniquely detectable codes. Suppose we have two binary code words A and B, where A is k bits long, B is n bits long, and k is less than n bits. If the first k bits of B are identical to A, then A is called the prefix of B. The last n minus k bits of B are called the dangling suffix. Right? It is easy to determine whether a code is uniquely detectable or not, decodable or not, and alternatively we can test if it is a prefix code or not. Here I would like to recall you and remind you what is prefix code. Uniquely decodable codes which are instantly decodable, like this. Instantaneous code which are decodable also, uniquely decodable, or termed as prefix code. The code which satisfies the following conditions for all of its binary codes. The prefix code test simpler. Consider two binary code words A and B, where A is k bits long and B is n bits long. Assume that n is greater than B, therefore B is a longer code word. If the first k bits of B is exactly equal to the code word of A, we say that A is a prefix of B. The rest of the bits of B which have length of n minus k bits are called the dangling suffix. As an example, say A is 0, 1, 0 and B is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, then A is, you can see 0, 1, 0 is here, so A is prefix of B and the dangling suffix is 1. So this can be easily explained in this, what is dangling suffix and how we n minus k bits, this n minus k 0, 1, 0 is A, it is the prefix of B. Now what are the steps for unique decodability? Construct a list of all the code words as earlier we have constructed. Now examine all the pairs of the code word to see if any code word is a prefix of another code word. Whenever you find such a pair, add the dangling suffix to the list. If we find such pair, we have to add the dangling suffix to the list unless you have added the same dangling suffix to the list. Now repeat the procedure using the larger list. Now continue in this fashion until one of the following two things happen. Right? Here Construct a list of all the code words in your alphabet. Examine all the code words and see if any code is a prefix of another code or not. Right? If you have such a prefix case, obtain the dangling suffix and add it to your list. Continue examining your list and adding the dangling suffix until one of the following two things happen. You came up with a dangling suffix, which is a code word in the list. There are no more unique dangling suffix. Now, if you get the first outcome, then the code is not uniquely decodable, otherwise the code is uniquely decodable. For example, consider a code 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. 0 is the prefix of 0, 1 and the dangling suffix is 1. Now 1 is not a code word. There are no more dangling suffix, so stop. The code is uniquely decodable. Right? Now consider another example for code 2, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0. Now 0 is the prefix of 0, 1 and the dangling suffix is 1. 1 is not a code word, so add to the list. The new entry 1 is a prefix of 1, 0 and 0 is the dangling suffix, which is the code word. So the condition 1 is satisfied and the code is not uniquely decodable. As it is very clearly mentioned, it is not uniquely decodable. Conclusion which we can derive or deduce on these two codes: the variable length code word should depend on probability and code should be uniquely decodable. Clear to all students? Now, what is prefix code? Prefix code, which is a subset of your uniquely decodable code or is a type of uniquely decodable code, the code in which no code word is the beginning of another code word. First thing. Second thing is a code in which no code word is a prefix to another code word. Since no code word is a prefix of the other, we will never face the possibility of a dangling suffix being a code word. In this case, the set of dangling suffix is the null set and we do not have to worry about finding the dangling suffix that is identical to a code word. Right? A prefix code is uniquely decodable, but the converse is not true. Here we have to get in mind that the prefix code is uniquely decodable, but the converse is not true. Right? Now, stats, dangling, suffix, all these things are clear. Now, source symbol are S0, S1, S2, S3, code A, code B, and code C. Three types of codes are generated. Now, symbol code word 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. No same two codes are generated. But it is not uniquely decodable, neither it is not prefix code. As per our test for uniquely decodability, which we have earlier mentioned and discussed. Now code B, symbol code word is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. It is a prefix code, as no code word is the beginning of another code word, and no code word is a prefix to another code word. It is a prefix code, and it is also a uniquely decodable code. Now code C, it is only uniquely decodable code. So we have discussed three types of codes. One is your code A, which is neither not uniquely decodable nor prefix code. Code B, which is only the prefix code, and code C, which is only uniquely decodable code. Right? The prefix code can be easily understood by this example. Probability is given 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 16. Code would be say 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. What would be its average length? Code 2, code 3 and code 4. In the similar fashion it is decided. Its average length is 31 by 16, 30 by 16 and 33 by 16. Here we have to determine which code is prefix code. So this is prefix code. This is prefix code with not uniquely decodable codes, as earlier discussed in this fashion. Right? So code 1 technique, code 2 and code 3 and code 4 techniques. Here in the subset technique, we can also broadly classify all codes, non-singular codes. Case a code is a non-singular if each source symbol is mapped to a different non-empty bit string. That is, the mapping from source symbols to bit string is injective. Then is your uniquely decodable codes, shown by a color yellow, and green is shown by instantaneous code. It is clear that that be a code uniquely decodable. Do we have to restrict ourselves to a prefix code? Yes. If we do not restrict ourselves to a prefix code, can we find shorter codes? No. Actually, for a non-prefix uniquely decodable code, we can always find a prefix code with the same code length. Right? And with this summary, our uniquely decodable codes are very much clear to all. So if you have any further doubts on uniquely decodable codes, whether it's the prefix codes, instantaneous codes, what are the steps, what are the tests for uniquely decodability, you can ask for it Google class. Thank you.